we discussed about the linear equation. So linear equation and quadratic equation and cubic equation. We explained about the type of equation and with the examples already. Now we are going to now let we discuss some problems in exercise 2.1. So what is that? Solve the following simple equation. So there are 10 problems in there. So I think actually 15 problems in there in that exercise 2.1. So let me discuss some problems and we can do remaining problems inside the WhatsApp. Okay. So first problem is given like 6m is equal to what? 6m is equal to 12 and 6 into m, that is equal to what? So we discussed already yesterday. So what is it? For example, first one, a into b is equal to, for example, c. A into x is equal to c. And also second one, a plus x is equal to c. And third one, a minus x is equal to c. And fourth one, a divided by x divided by a is equal to c. So, for example, before in the LHS a into x, in the RHS c, now you are going to find the x value. So when divide two numbers in the left side of the given equation, we need only one value. Another value translate to right side will be divided. Why? Because here multiply. When we are translate to right side, the value will divide. And another look at, so here addition of two values. When we translate to one value to the right side, the value will negative. Here positive value translate to right side will be negative. As well as there is a x minus a. This is a negative term. When we are translate to negative term, from left side to right side, the value will be changed. X is equal to positive c plus a. So here divide by x divided by a. X divided by a nothing but a translate to right side. A translate to right side. The value will multiply with c. I hope to understand. Look there, a to x. When we are multiplying with x, if the value translate to right side, the value c divided by a, and when we are adding this value to another number, the value will be the value translate to right side, the value will become a negative. Here positive. When we are translate to right side, the value become a negative. As well as negative will become a positive when we are translating. Look, as well as the value divided by with x. So divided with x, the value, if we value translate to right side, the value multiply with the another number. There is a 6m is equal to 12. 6m nothing but 6 into m. Here multiply with m. So when we are translate to 6 to the right side, what happened? So here you can observe there. So in the place of a nothing but 6, and in the place of x nothing but m. So you can observe that when we are translate to a to the right side, what happened? C divided by a. So that's why as well as m is equal to 1 divided by 6. So 6 1 6 2 m is equal to 2. We got it. When we are substituting the place of m, will be 2. What happened? For example, 6 into 2. 12 is it? We got the answer. One more problem is there. So I think which problem? 8th problem. 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. What is type of problem? Look there. Which is related to the problem? Look there. So this is the a plus x. A plus x. So in the place of 3x nothing but a, and plus 1 nothing but x, that is equal to c. When we are translating a right side or x right side, what happened? It become a negative. So now you are going to translate this positive term to the right side. What happened? 3x is equal to 16 minus 1. Why? Because left side are positive. When we are translate the left side to the right side, the values will be changed. Look, 3x is equal to what happened? 16 minus 1, 15. And we can observe that. Which is typing related? So here, a into x equals c. So in the place of a nothing but 3, in the place of x nothing but x. Now you are going to take x. Now a translate to right side. What happens? C divided by a. As well as 3 translate to right side. What happens? X is equal to 50 divided by 3. 3 ones are 5. What we are getting? 5. X will be 5. When we are substituting the place of 5, the place of x will be what happened? Look there. So check it. So what is the given? LHS we took. We take LHS like this, and also substitute in the place of x will be 5. 3 into 5 plus 1. 3 5 into 15 plus 1. 16 here. So you can answer RHS square. We got RHS. So children, I hope to understand this all problem to all. So remaining problem you can do it. These all problems. If you have any doubt, you can chat on the WhatsApp. I will try to clarify your any doubt. Okay? Children, so let me take some problems in exercise 2.2. I think we discussed about exercise 2.1. So what is the actually one bit of the exercise 2.2? What is that? Solve the following equation. There is a secret term given, but here LHS have also double term. RHS also having double term. What we discussed is this type of problems. Look, so now I am going to take one problem. 7x minus 5 is equal to x. So now you are going to translate to x to the left side and also minus 5 to the right side. Why? Because now you are going to solve. Solve nothing but what is the given there? Variable. Which type of given there variable in the equation? X. Now you are going to find only single x. So now you are going to find x value. So that's right. Now you are going to translate to the left side or right side. So if you translate to the right side, x. Left side values. So look at, for example, 7x is given there. So 7x. After that x value, here 2x. You will have the left side, you will have the right side. So that's why now you are going to the right as a group. So that's why we translate to the left side. Why? Because 7 have in the left side. 7x have in the left side. So minus 5 translate to right side. So that's 7x. If you translate to 2x to the left side, nothing but minus 2x. Why? Because when you are changing left side to the right side to the left side, if you have negative, become a positive. If you have positive, become a negative. Good. So it is a positive. So when you are translating to left side, nothing but minus 2x is equal to. If you translate to negative term to the right side, nothing but plus 5. So 7x minus 2x, how much? 5x. So we need a x value. X bring down and translate to the right side to the 5. What happened? 5 divided by 5. If you multiply with the x, the multiplying term will be translated to the right side, nothing but a divided by. So 5, 1 the 5. What will we get? X is equal to 1. One more problem we will discuss like that. Fifth problem. 7z plus 13 is equal to 2z plus 4. We discussed already this type of problem. Look here. So 7z, 2z translate to the left side as well as 13 translate to the right side. What happens? 7z written down as this. 2z translate to the left side, nothing but minus 2z. Why? Because it is a positive. Positive become a negative when we are translated to the other side. Look, as well as minus 13 translate to the right side, nothing but 4 minus 13. that's why if you transfer this term, become a divide. So we got the value. Then we will take the eighth problem and discuss. Look there, 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. So if you keep bracket, nothing but, so 3 is also multiplied, all terms in the bracket. So now you are going to multiply like this. Multiply 3 into t as well as 3 into 3. So 3 into t, nothing but 3. This is a plus term, plus minus. Plus into minus, minus. 3 3s are 9. That is equal to. So as well as to take the 5 into 2, 10t, and 5 into 1. Plus into minus, minus. 5 ones are 5. So which is the larger term? Here 3t and 10t. So this is at 10t at the right side. So that's why we are translate to the right side of 3. Why? Because largest term having the right side. So minus side translate to the left side. So which is the remaining here? Minus 9. And also this is translated to left side nothing but 5 into 5. So this is the breakdown as well, and 3t translated to the right side nothing but minus 3t. So now minus 9 plus 5, 4, and 10t minus 3t nothing but 7t. Now you are going to the value of need value of set t. T put there, 7 translated to the right side nothing but minus 4 divided by 7. We got the t value. So do it remaining all problems and send out the WhatsApp. Thank you.